Optimize social media profiles to increase organic reach on social media. When you create content for Google, on your blog for example, you optimize it using all known SEO tactics. The same should be done for your social media profiles. Every aspect of your social media profiles can be optimized for greater visibility. That's why you must learn how to do all these optimizations. Now I'm going to mention the most common ones. Number 1. Create your usernames that are easy to remember. Number 2. Create a profile photo and/or logo that is unique, which goes with your brand. Number 3. Create descriptions that contains keywords and that sound natural. Number 4. Put a link back to your website. Number 5. When you post, always use the same design elements in your image and videos. Be consistent with the keywords you use on your call to action. After watching this video, you should have a better understanding about this topic. If you still have any question, please ask.
Ask, please.
Use the comment section. Another important thing is that you must continue educating yourself about this topic. That's why I would like to invite you to subscribe to my channel, so that you can receive much more free information about this topic and other internet marketing strategies that will help you grow your online business. In the same way, I recommend you to press the small bell next to the subscribe button. This way, you will receive alert in your YouTube account and in your email at the precise moment when I publish a new video, so that you can be informed much more sooner than other users. Last but not least, I would like to invite you to join my mailing list. You will be informed every time I add new content to my website, and you will receive by email free internet marketing information on a regular basis, which will help you grow your online business faster. You don't have to pay anything for it. It is completely free. Thank you very much for watching this video. See you later in the next video. Goodbye.